airlines were closed down. Even Abrofukra air to talk. One day mention, na se obisi or not na honum. Na se while you are mining here, you are still you still have the gas and the shenanigans to insult this man. The more you insult him, no, the more it gives him the morale. Youth na they do Ghana no. Medio mo ya to the extent say obi by party be by 8 years or the influence or by 4 years. One for you to be because of the more employment na kwa kubo besia. Or see one for obi adwuma na wetua obi aka until this kind of heading ebetua mo musa say aside loans ni na no koje ye na eden no mo ye ma Ghana. Wanya hwe uzu ube si school dine ube si school dine 5,200 more time what they me there more time musi saying musi 29 musi 6 World Bank is 23
yeah
obiaba wankwaje besia wanko IMF ani obi anko sign policy o buy no ba be si 30 and no cry any project o ba be si 30 when they mention no NPP ba so if you go for time go for the NHIS na buy national insurance you know the buy or the school feeding na buy or the bus school kwala afro bus eco school free NDC time e den on be ye omo ye ya to the extent say obi be jan ka say omo ni talk bi the ma teacher for Ghana for a real asem Ghana for a real asem me say abrochi say aside free SHS a obabeko oba uniform one abeto oba uniform one abeto ye wo no ma bia betua school obi aba o say oba nko school free they say omo nche me amount for they say amount for Ukrainian house help because obi a person be educated you to no sorry house unya adwuma anya uko university no akwa koye business akoye accounts all because adwen that with no person dey pen e be bokro no obi akọ school akoye engineering ya baby TVET ya baby Toyota ya baby yi what is all mo ye dede no they are not making noise because they have the experience they have the techniques at their fingertips into ombeko ho no makwa koye adwuma at the end of the day no see a man of 500 cedis cry onye kwadifo okoba on depend on him and depend on papa subiem nti mu ye dede a he doesn't care now no the youth no is following I don't know who is inspiring the youth but for them to sit down and read it has become a problem the youth in the penny say Friday afternoon Saturday afternoon Sunday afternoon nimpie na me nkwaji mani wentime mpia nkwaji nani a ene na o man ni more than obi abosis ka no fa mani pa baako ni mo be am na benefit ye nyina obi aba Ghana akwan utimi kwaji loan so wo be Ghana kwan wo be kona na tie gu kwan ho na amanfo na etweton aban we baaye hwe roads a oye aban be trans ye nko Ghana o ba yehu de ekoso so they make channel na me mpelfo kan say mi say the papa bia enya munyamu ni kurom na me se na nado enye na ni ebe
odifo papa onye Akufo Addo
that chimbi no ini ebe hu me say man no do you know how many countries are requesting for this man you have no idea all because he is intelligent he is a visionary leader the countries are about be invest in Ghana when they make no the nani omuye is omuye diasporas no e Ghana idea de call Ghana look at the development it took to Ghana this is a COVID na year meaning the nyoma kwa look at the amount of people we are expecting in Ghana 180,000 won't this bring revenue obi aba also you two or free or imagine say what of 100 cedis where the toll so for 1 hour all because of 50 pesos. Hey, Ghana for we should my any achums how wabe year free honum ofu o Ghana na waton fetwam ko ye de okọ bia na sambra ye be bia adwuma ye be fa Ghana youth on konkoye adwuma start adwuma 8:30 8 o'clock afi no asole afri keteso na time na abekọ adwuma na utu kwan ba abroche dia abroni se breduma 6 o'clock e mo 3:30 na at bus ma woko are we normal are we normal Mote oman say scan your money, but you get money to travel to Dubai all in the name of enjoyment. Now they are coming Biama na any crew ye. Uko Dubai a unti tax for her. Yeah. Me say in Katie we say in Katie we na £1.99. Now me call £4. £4. Send or the auto so. And Katie I say we say we see can that bank no cry na ukwakoyi. Ukoyi wo ATM no. Yeah, to tax. Ukwakoyi ska wo ATM no. We to tax. Na Ghana for a while bridge na na bebre nka no kore. Also muhu ye ma omuhu die wom. Ye nka za bridge no abroche ye. But imagine say a month no rent a utua na itimi tua dan ka 2 years e wo Ghana. But people don't know. Obi beside bibi no enya nkoma na onim say won search na eden. But they don't know what you are going through here. Ghana for Yanwe na ye my NPP free power all in the name of NDC normal bar. Me no mienu. Any me maami bi ote Ghana ye be brese 3 SHS on betwem. Contractors akwa omu ye nya on betwem. Hair lights on be say no. Yeah, in some there and I'm catching on no. Hey, one
first round
a dozen.
Yeah, first round no cry very good submission. Why are
you? May drop down more points.
This is your first time on my program, and I must say, I'm happy. Say, Ode Uhuse Yaba now I present to the world in such a manner. The good thing, then they say, they are all canny now, so no, verifiable. Unless you be a watcher, I so can need my own person kind of friend. Yo, the Ameme can say, and now the Amepesa minimum in night. I can't bear 30 minutes. Na yapon, yeah, I can't bear 30 minutes near upon. Intino, 30 minutes no me fakakra. Na Saba fakakra. Na Fiyabra George, Abefa kakra, near close. Near set another date. Maybe somewhere come middle of the month and as ending of the month, to do a part 2 of something like this, whereby hopefully by that time we can get other people from the other side of the aisle to join us to do this. Now, idea be chere imagine so. I do this say. Me na me hu ni say yes say Ghana for epi yedie. Inti no debia no ye papa ama na belidie. Na say NDC eya aban, MPP eya aban. Omumi enu ni na obi abeka kire say ono ne de na ye anasa ba meboa. But the ebema me ene we hu ni say aban we ene ebo modern no ene nwuma sebe omaye. Me hu say clueless boy bi a your friend Opoku Solomon ebe gina ha obi say where are the jobs. Now eya me depan because obi man no reply bi wo say uncle school uncle certificate no benya juma. And I'm say Opoku Solomon.
Felix.
Yes.
Felix.